Good afternoon, everyone. Today is Friday, September 30th, and you know what that means. It's a
funky,
fresh
Friday
here at Academy Mortgage. Hey, I'm Rob.
And I'm John.
Hey, we're here to tell you about some cool things happening all over Arizona this weekend.
Well, Rob, what's up first?
Well, first, guys, it's the holiday season, and we want to wish everyone a happy National Hot Mulled Cider Day. That's right, John.
That's cool.
Fall welcomes toasty mugs of mulled cider to wrap our chilled hands around. Such a cozy way to spend an evening, sipping a tart spiced beverage on a chilly evening while gazing at trees ablaze in crimson, gold, and orange. You know what, John? It's the perfect way to celebrate the holiday season and a perfect way to enjoy this beautiful drink.
And Rob, you know I like to make me some hot mulled cider, sip it on while reading a book, or maybe enjoy some conversation with a friend or that special somebody.
Oh, John, that sounds like a little slice of heaven.
Oh, yeah.
You know, and speaking of the holiday season, it's been 29 years since someone has lit the black flame candle and resurrected the 17th century Sanderson sisters.
Uh-oh.
And they are looking for revenge. Now it's up to 3 high school students to stop these ravenous witches from wreaking a new havoc on Salem before dawn on All Hallows Eve. That's right, John. Hocus Pocus 2 has come out on Disney Plus.
I can't wait. That's going to be so fun.
I'm so excited about it, John. I can't wait to get home.
Another great reason to have an opportunity to
enjoy some delicious hot mulled cider?
Exactly.
Oh my gosh, what a great idea. You can combine 2 cool things, right? Hocus Pocus and hot mulled cider.
What's up next?
What a way to kick off this holiday season. You know, and leading off for this weekend's activities, we want to thank Patty from Tucson. She sent us this one in.
Thanks again, Patty.
How about a family-friendly improv comedy night at the Unscrewed Theater in Tucson? And John, everybody needs to laugh, don't they? So we want to join the Not Burnt Out, Just Unscrewed for an improv comedy hullabaloo, right? And as always, they take your suggestions from the audience and they turn them into comedy scenes and games that are seen once and never again.
Plus, they keep it clean, so of course the whole family can enjoy the night together.
Hey, that's a nice twist. So every show, remember, is different because the suggestions come from you, the audience, the amazing audience, right? And it's going to be a fantastic weekend. So they sincerely hope you join them as they get their improv party started. I'm coming, I want to get the party started. All right, John, what's next?
That's going to be Saturday, October 1st at 7:30 p.m. Doors are open at 7. At the Unscrewed Theater, 4500 East Speedway Boulevard, number 39 in Tucson, 85712. Get this, tickets are just $8 a person or $5 for children 5 and under.
Very reasonable.
And $8 for online streaming.
That's cool.
Live stream, that's a cool option, right?
Yeah, you can watch it from home, John. That sounds like a lot of fun.
Thanks again, Patty, for the information on that one. What's up next, Rob?
Well, you know, John, I've said it once, I've said it again, but you're not going to believe who's in town this weekend. You're not going to believe it. Okay, go ahead, guess.
Bob Hope.
Bob Hope. Ooh, no, that was a good one. But no, not Bob Hope. Guess again.
Maybe Sheridan.
Oh, Sheridan. No, she's not going to be here. Guess again.
Def Leppard again.
Oh my gosh, you can pour some sugar on me. But no, those are all great guesses. But we've got the one, the only, the king of rant, Mr. Lewis Black himself. Are you kidding me? So Lewis Black, you know, he uses his trademark style of yelling and finger pointing, and he exposes all the absurdities of life. So, and his comedic brilliance makes people laugh at all of life's hypocrisies and the insanities he sees in the world. And, you know, there's plenty.
And on a personal note, if there's anyone out there that actually has a way of getting hold of Mr. Lewis Black, we'd love to actually have him as a guest on a Funky Fresh Friday.
Come on, let's put the internet to work. Somebody's got to be able to get to him, and we'd love to have him. We'll come in this weekend, whatever's good for him. So, John, what are the details on his show?
And that will actually be Saturday, the 1st of October at 8 p.m.
Tomorrow.
Doors are open at 6 at Celebrity Theater, 440 North 32nd Street, Phoenix, 85008. Tickets are available online from just $49.50.
Wow, very, very reasonable. So very reasonable.
Rob, what's up next?
Well, it's October, and October can only mean one thing, John.
Oktoberfest?
Absolutely, it's Oktoberfest. That's right. So lace up your Durandal, throw on your lederhosen, grab a stein, because it's Oktoberfest, and it's coming to downtown Chandler. So join us at Dr. A.J. Chandler Park in the heart of the original town square with our friends from Pedal House Brewery. Thank you for the samples, by the way. Samples.
We got samples?
I didn't tell you about it.
I had no idea. I'm going to have to check them out.
I'll tell you, yeah.
If there's any left.
Yeah. So thanks for the samples. And they will be having live music all day. They're going to feature, of course, local beer, craft cocktails, German fare, games, and a family fun zone.
And here's their schedule of events. They're going to have, of course, live music all day. 3:30, you're going to have Desert Polka Party.
Polka, polka, polka.
6 o'clock, you're going to have the Hit Rewind Dance Band.
Sweet.
8:45, the Dirt Tribute to 80s Hair Metal Band.
Oh, man. Oh, I love me some hair bands. So. And John, they're gonna downtown Chandler's gonna sponsor games all day too. So at 4 p.m. they're gonna have the Stein holding contest. See how long you can hold on your Stein. At 5:30 they're gonna have the Wiener Toss, and at 8 p.m. is the brat eating contest. And hopefully Joey Chestnut won't be there, so that way everybody's got a chance, right?
Rob, they've even partnered with Crown Royal Plaza and Resorts for special discounted rates on Friday and Saturday. So go ahead and call the hotel directly at 480-812-0900. Ask for the October 22 rate special.
Wow, they've thought of everything for this, haven't they, John? Hey,
Yeah.
what are the particulars?
And again, that's going to be Saturday, October 1st from 3 to 11 p.m. at Dr. A.J. Chandler Park, 3 South Arizona Avenue, Chandler. Get your pre-sale tickets online and save $5. Kids are 6 and under are free, too, which is kind of cool.
Well, hey, that's saving some big dough online. So
Thanks again for the heads up on that, Steve.
Yeah, thanks, Steve. You know, and like Steve, guys, everybody, please at home, keep in mind.
If you happen to have an upcoming local event you'd love to have us share or promote, please message us the details and we'll get it on the next Funky Fresh Friday.
Yep, let us know, guys. Thanks.
Rob, what's currently happening with mortgage rates?
Well, you know, COVID-19 pushed mortgage rates down to record lows around December 2020. But since then, you know, they've climbed back up to pre-pandemic levels. But don't feel too bummed out. I mean, consider this. Remember, back in the 80s, mortgage rates were between 10 and 18%. So today's rates don't seem too bad comparatively.
Not bad at all. We want to reduce your anxiety, too, by telling about the key variables that actually determine the rates that are available to you. Knowledge, of course, is power, guys.
Of course, because there's some ways you can help to lower your credit, lower your interest rate. And starting off, obviously, the most obvious one is credit, right? Your score is your biggest factor in determining your mortgage rate. I mean, after all, a mortgage is a loan, right? So the better your credit score, the better rate you'll qualify for. John and I, we can help give you guys a personalized review of your credit score, and we can offer suggestions on things you can do to improve your score, and obviously help you qualify for a better rate.
Yeah, and of course, next is down payment. The bigger your down payment, the lower the mortgage rate, of course. The more cash you put down is, of course, less risky to the lender, so they can pass it on to you as an interest rate savings. Now, we also have available programs as little as 0 down with 100% loan to value that are actually happy to run scenarios for you as well to show you kind of what down payment options you can and how they change your rates.
Always a fine balance between cash down and rates, right? And that's what we do here, try to help you find the balance, right? And next, of course, is income stability, right? I know everybody says, oh, they need 24 months history. Well, the banks usually want to know that the reason why they want to have 24 months history is they want to know that you can repay the loan, right? You need a job to pay it back, right? But fear not, right? If you've changed careers or have less than a consistent 2-year work history, don't be discouraged. Just we've got programs that can help with those situations too. So hit us up and we're happy to figure out which one works for you, okay?
And honestly, because you got to understand there's different loan types out there. Basically, there's different loans that you can qualify for, as short as 15-year mortgages, 30-year mortgage terms, commonly down payments like 20% down. But there's actually as little as 0 down as well. And they've got FHA options, USDA options, VA, first-time buyer, fixed rate, adjustable rate, reverse mortgages. Oh my God, there's so many different programs available.
John, that's crazy.
In fact, as of this morning, we had about 61 different programs and counting at your fingertips to help out. So we can definitely find the best option available for you for your specific circumstance.
Always options, guys. And the one thing people talk about all the time is discount points. You know, people think about, oh, what are points? What are points? Well, hey, in the simplest term, a discount point is an upfront fee that you can pay to lower your interest rate. So, and with our buyer's market that we're currently in, we're finding that sellers are willing to negotiate concessions that can be used to pay those points for you.
Absolutely.
So effectively, they can buy you a lower interest rate. And we can help you do the math to determine the balance, again, between paying points or paying more cash down.
And lastly, lock. Our favorite saying is
Lock early and lock often.
In today's market, the rates you actually see may not be what's there tomorrow. Heck, it might not be this afternoon. We have a mechanism out there to actually help lock that loan at today's rates and protect you against unexpected rate increases. We call it the lock and shop option. Basically, we lock you in after your pre-qualification is complete, gives you a 90-day window to find a property. It's honestly a great way to take advantage of that rate and reduce your anxiety through the whole home buying process for yourself.
And John, where should someone call to alleviate and to find answers regarding their rate anxiety?
Well, first, they could call me, John, at 480-251-1152, or we could call Rob
at 520-240-2189. Guys, call us with any of your home mortgage needs or questions, and we can help you go through all those different items and help alleviate some of that rate anxiety for you.
And you know, Rob, most of the people don't realize we get most of our business from referral and word of mouth as well.
You know what, John? It sure does. So we'd always like to take a minute and thank everyone for referring their friends, family, and anyone that you know that are needing home loans or just have home loan questions, guys.
Yep, so referrals are the key to our success, so please, and thank you for helping send us some business as well as spreading the word. Remember to like and share as well on our video here to kind of keep us rolling along.
That means a lot to us, guys. We
Thanks
appreciate
again.
it. And remember, guys, at Academy Mortgage,
No loan is too big,
and no loan is too small.
when it comes to home loans,
Hey, we can handle them all. Hey, thanks for tuning in. I'm Rob.
And I'm John, guys.
Hey, and we at Academy Mortgage, and we hope that you guys have a
Funky
fresh
Friday.
Hey, get out there, enjoy some of these activities going on this weekend. And please, guys, comment below and let us know how much fun you had at these events. And we sure appreciate everybody's feedback. And thank you for letting us meet Mr. Lewis Black. Make that happen, people.
Make it happen, guys. It'll be awesome. And we'll see you next week, y'all.
Hey, have a safe weekend, guys. Make someone's day.
God bless.